Hi everyone, welcome to the new learning era, the digital era. Have you noticed many of our students nowadays, while learning online through the new learning methodology, the learning digital methodology, they're easily getting stressed out. Have you ever thought why they are really getting stressed out? There are three main reasons to it. Let's discuss it. Here is my mind map, and the first reason is the traditionally learning momentum. See, in physics we have a concept, it's called moment of inertia. So, what happens is like if you're traveling in a bus, like if you're running a race, and even though you finish the finish line, you still keep running for some time. Okay, the thing is, you suddenly cannot stop yourself, and that continuous further movement or further running is due to moment of inertia. It's a basic physics concept that we are all aware of. So how come it is applying here? So here also what happening is, so far before the pandemic, everybody was exposed to a traditional learning method where you used to have a teacher, the students used to sit around, she used to teach everybody as a group with her or his physical presence. And students as well are habituated to learn in the same manner when the teacher is right in front of them or writing from the board. So the students used to learn in that manner, and they used to have an environment where they used to learn combinedly. So everybody were motivated, like because the friend sitting beside is doing something, even he used to do the same thing. Like they were automatically motivated. But now it's a different thing. There is no one around. He has to motivate himself. So this kind of shift is making them a bit lagging. So this is the first thing what I've noticed is the momentum. They are still habituated to learn in that manner, and when they come to this digital learning platform, that particular environment is missing. So when that environment is missing, definitely even when you go to a new place, we get some time to get ourselves settled, right? In the same manner, students also feeling the same thing. The very second reason is surprise introduction to digital learning platform. See, the students as of now, they are just getting, the students, especially what I'm saying is the students in school, okay? Even for that matter, even though you are elder, if you're not from a computer's background, okay? So you are getting exposed to it if you are from a completely different biology or completely different platform. So you are getting exposed to computers right now. I mean to say, not completely hardcore. Other than someone who is working with computers like I do. I'm a personal software developer myself, so I use computers in a different manner. But most of the people, most of the like when I'm saying students, it may not be only school kids. Anybody who is learning something traditionally, it applies to them. So whereas when they are learning something digitally, so they have to focus on the subject what the teacher is saying, at the same time they have to focus on these tools as well. So that's a complete shift. Previously, no particular tool, it was straight away from teacher, student, note down, straight away asking them, that's it. That's how it used to be. But now it's a different platform was introduced to them. So which they have to learn that one as well for them to learn effectively. So the sudden surprise of introduction, the sudden introduction to this digital learning platform, like see, if you're prepared, that's a different thing. If you're prepared to learn something digitally, you're completely equipped with, okay, how am I going to learn? But current scenario, what happened is like it was suddenly said that like, these are some tools which you have to, in which we are going to be teaching you, and you have to learn in that manner. So it was a surprise introduction to those tools. So some are very quick in adapting those things. some are not very quick in adapting those things. So that lag is causing one more major reason for the students getting stressed out while learning. And the third reason is lack of light learning methodology. So if you are learning something, like even when you're learning something, you need to know how you're going to do it. Like when teacher says that, okay, when I'm telling you something, take down some notes or like that, right? So here what happens is the teacher used to dictate, or uh, when they are equipped with something, some physical activity, they call students and do this activity. They're practically doing those things. But now for digital also, while learning digitally also, you have a methodology in which you can learn it properly. So nobody is aware of that. How you can learn effectively, or what are the methods, or what are the right methods in which we could learn effectively. So lack of these things are really making students stressed out when learning something digitally. We'll discuss more about this towards the solution in my coming future videos. Till then, bye bye.